In today's video, we will cover more than 10 Excel errors. Our very first error is hash error. Hash error is basically not an error. It occurs when column width is too narrow. So over here we can see our error. I'll increase the column size and the error got vanished. This error will be visible in case of numbers only. If there will be text, this error will not be visible. If I'll reduce column size, where we have got text, we can't see error. But in cells, where we have got figure, we can see the error. So simply increase the column size or adjust the column size. Let's see our second error. Hash value. This error occurs when there is a problem with the value or data type in the formula or function. Over here we have got quantity and after that rate. And we have to take out sales. So sales will be quantity into rate. In the cells where I haven't got the quantity, I have typed no data. And this is the basic reason of my error. If I'll delete this, delete, my total sales is 0. In the same way, I'll delete all the text and my error will vanish. Let's see our next error. Hash spill. This error occurs because the intended spill range is blocked. I'll show you this through example. Over here we have got names and few names got repeated and I want unique names. I'll click over here and will type my function or formula plus or equal to unique bracket open array. I'll select all the names from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got spill error. I'll click on my formula and my formula range is from top where we can see spill till the blue line ends. And in center of this we can see a text that is Excel errors. I'll delete this. The spill error vanished and I got my data properly. Let's see another error. Hash name. This error occurs when Excel doesn't recognize text in a formula. So over here we have got sales and I want sum of all the sales. I'll click on my formula and in the formula bar we can see add and we have selected our range. In Excel there's no function by the name of add. It's sum. So I'll go to formula bar, we'll delete add and we'll put sum, S-U-M sum, bracket open and I'll hit enter and my error vanished. In the second cell we can see name and we have used sum. So what's the basic reason behind? When we will notice the formula, we have got sum and in bracket we have taken data. So to remove this error, you have got two options. Just go to formula bar, delete data from here and select your range and hit enter. So this is the one way. Let's see the second way. I'll undo this. Now I'll select my range. We'll go on top in left hand side. Here we can see I5. I'll delete this and we'll give the range a name and the name will be data. Enter and my error got vanished. Let's see another error. Hash ref. Hash error indicates an invalid cell reference. Over here we have got quantity, rate and sales. If by mistake I'll delete quantity from here, delete, I got ref error or reference error. In case you are getting reference error, it means your reference cells are missing. I'll undo this. Now I'll copy my formula from here. Control C or Command C. We'll come down and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. Again I got ref error or reference error because Excel is not getting any reference. Let's see another example. Hash div error. This occurs when we try to divide by 0 or by empty cell. Over here we have got quantity, rate and sales. And our formula is in rate. When I go to my error, here we have got 0. And Excel is trying to divide by 0. Only reason we got error. Let's put some value over here. 120. And the error got vanished. Over here also, we will put some value. When we come down, over here we have got empty cell. Excel treats empty cell as 0. When I'll put some value over here, error got vanished. In case there is no value, I'll put 0, enter. And you don't want to see the error, click on the error, go to formula bar and insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, will come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And the error got vanished. In case you want to put some text over here, go to formula bar and in the end, just between two double inverted commas, put no data. Enter. And the error got vanished. Let's see another example. Hash NA. Has NA error typically occurs in lookup functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, or match. In this data, I have used VLOOKUP. And in VLOOKUP, we can see different errors like value error, spill error, and NA error. So what's the basic reason behind these errors? Let's click on our error. Let's check our formula. VLOOKUP, in the beginning, we have taken lookup value. After that, our array and column index number. So everything is fine. So what's the basic issue over here? When we see our formula minutely, comma is missing between lookup value and table array. Let's go to formula bar, delete the space and put comma. Hit enter and the error got vanished. Spill error. Let's cross check the formula. After lookup value, instead of comma, by mistake I have put dot or full stop. Let's delete this and put comma. Enter. Over here I have got the same thing. We'll remove dot, we'll put comma, enter. So two errors got removed. Now over here we have got NA error. Let's click on our formula and cross check it. VLOOKUP, lookup value is proper, comma, table array is proper, comma, column index number is proper, comma, 0 for exact match. So all the things are proper. Then also we are getting error. So what's the basic reason? There might be issue with lookup value. If I'll delete all the lookup values from here, delete, we are getting NA error everywhere. I'll undo this. Let's go to our array. This is my array and the cells which are highlighted in red are in my format. So I'll copy this, Ctrl+C or Command+C. We'll go to my format and over here I'll paste the names as values. We'll right click the mouse, paste special, values, and all my errors got vanished. In case you haven't got any value over here, I'll delete this. We can see NA error. So to avoid this, we will do one thing. I'll click on top. We'll go to formula bar and we'll insert the criteria of if NA. If NA, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down and my NA error got vanished. Instead of if NA, we can put if error also. I'll undo this. We'll go to formula bar. We'll delete if NA and we'll put the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. In case you want to put some text, just put your text between double inverted commas. I'll put no data. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. I'll click over here on the drop down and we'll select fill without formatting. Now let's see another example. Has num. We will see two examples of this. Has num error indicates that there is a problem with a number in the formula or function. I want to take square root of quantity. Let's check our formula. SQRT means square root and I have taken cell reference. But in cell reference, by mistake, I have inserted minus. I'll delete minus and will hit enter. Error got removed. Let's check over here. Over here also we have done the same thing. Let's remove this, enter, and error got removed from both the places. Now let's come down. Over here we have got start date and end date. And I want to take the difference in days, months and year. The calculation of days and year is proper, but we got error in months. And we got two type of error. One is name error and second is num error. Let's see what can be done. I'll click on my formula. Over here I have used dated if. So in dated if, first thing I have inserted is start date and second one is end date. And after that M. M is for month. But we have to take M in double inverted comma. Otherwise we will get the error. Let's go to formula bar and put double inverted comma. We'll click just after M and we'll insert double inverted comma close and we'll hit enter. We got our months. Why we got num error? Formula is proper. We have taken M in double inverted commas, but then also we are getting error. We are getting num error because in the beginning there should be start date and after that end date. Means value of end date should be more than start date. Let's change it. Let me delete the range. I'll select start date, comma, end date and I'll hit enter. My error got removed. Now what's the issue over here? Start date is less than end date. And when we see the end, I have inserted 1. So instead of 1, I have to put DMY or MY, whatever you want to put. Means text should be there, number should not be there. I'll delete one and will put M, enter, and my error got removed. Let's see another example. Hash null. This error happens when there is an intersection of two areas. We'll click on my formula, we'll go to formula bar and we'll check what's the issue. So over here I have done plus or equal to first cell plus second cell plus third cell, and I have selected fourth cell without putting plus, and I got the error. So let's put plus over here and hit enter, and my null error got removed. Let's see another example. Calc error or calc error. This error indicates calculation error. On the top we have got our data, and over here I want to filter my data region wise. I'll click on my formula, or let's insert formula. We'll delete this, plus or equal to filter bracket open array. We'll select all my data, comma, include. I want to include region, so I'll select region from top to bottom is equal to, I want data of east, so I'll take east in double inverted comma, east, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter, and I got my data. I'll click over here, we'll do it west, enter. I got my data properly, I haven't got any error. I'll go to my formula bar, and instead of west I'll do it northwest, enter. I got the error because in my data northwest is not there. I'll click on north and we'll do it northwest. Let's hit enter and see what result we are going to get. Enter. We got our data. Now you know what's the issue if you are getting these errors. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.